Hey guys, what's up? It's Roguebone, back with the second Castle Crashers video, and we're right where we're left off. Let's choose what I want, and agility and strength. We were left off on here, but I recorded something, but then it didn't record, so that's why I'm right there. So I'm just gonna start off where we left off and pretend like I didn't see anything. Crap, I didn't get this pet yet. You know what? I'm just gonna keep him. He doesn't really do anything. That's why this, if you're seeing this, it's a little like I got like some stuff already because I didn't cheat to get all this stuff. I just recorded something and it turns out it didn't record, so that sucks. Yeah. So if you see me with like more stats or something, that's why, because instead of like I didn't like cheat or anything, it's just it recorded. It didn't record the video, which stinks, because I was like, I had like 15 minutes of footage in, and then like it was recording like the first like 2 minutes, and then it just decided to like stop on me for some reason that I don't know why, and it's like so annoying because I had so much footage to get in, and then it just like, nope. It's so annoying. Ooh, some gold. I love that thing, where you just slap the trees and then they like drop stuff. I hate these archers. These archers are like the worst. Stop, you stinking archers. What's this? I don't want this sword. Give me back my kingly sword. Get this crap out of my face. What is this baby sword? I want the king sword. These archers are so annoying. Oh my gosh, stop, boy. Get this dude. Look at this dude. Dang. I think that's the most I've ever dealt damage wise. What's in this hole? A sword. I don't want no leaf sword. Get that on my face. What's this? What is this thing? What is this thing? It's like some weird penguin or something. I think he gathers me food. That's awesome. Look at this dude. I've never seen them do that before. This man just jumped to arrow me. It's like, seriously though. Just like, wow. Just wow. That's that noise. What is this? I don't want no. Ooh, I just realized I have a golden bow and golden arrows. It's so awesome. What's up, owl? Don't drop deuces on me. Man, this owl is just dropping deuces. This guy can jump really high. You ever think about it? Whoa, that owl just totally just fell out of that tree. Stupid owl. Yes! Yes! Keep bringing me food. You know what I think I'm gonna call you? I'm gonna call you Fredrick. Fredrick the food bird. Food bird! Fredrick! Do you have any more things for me, Fredrick? Ugh, these guys. I hate these archers. Like, I hate him so much. Uh-oh. I think I'm almost gonna die. Yes, apple, apple. No! Did this man just eat that apple? What? Wait, what? Wait, what did I just do? What did I just do? How did I just get that? Oh, you can get in the grass. Just in the nick of time, I leveled up. Yes. I just realized how much health I lose from their arrows. Stop arrowing me. Get the coin. Oh, you made me lose the coin. Now. This man is just backing up and just arrowing me. What is this horse, dude? Wait, what? That's a cool mechanic. Poopy horse. What is it? Wait, just take a second to look at these two statues. What are they? Just like weird black dudes? Hey, lizard. We meet again. This guy is so dumb. I can't wait to get done with all these archers. I don't care if something's harder. I just want to get it over with. All these archers. They're like so annoying. And if you guys know any way of getting some sweet XPs, just let me know in the comment down below. I think I heard one that you can, there's like a boss you can exploit up here, which like gives you like tons of like XP and stuff. This man, what are these dudes? These dudes are like climbing out of the wall works, man, or clockwork or whatever it is. This guy, what do you? These guys are like hair. They're like living hair. The hairball. The hairballs. What is this guy? This guy is just like, yeah, I don't want to fight you. I don't want no leaf sword. Man, I don't think you can break down sword. I don't think you. Whoa, bear. Bear. What does everything have to be with poop in this game? Whoa. How long did it take me to fall? Wait, no. No, get up again. That took me like a few seconds and it's not even that high. Get all the coins! Get all the coins! Come back here, you gremlin! What did that guy just die? This guy is just totally just washing his clothes and then he just starts to attack me. It's like, seriously. You know you will get destroyed, right? Ooh. Wait, can you actually get burned? You can! Come back here! Come back here. Come back here! You cannot run from me! Yes, I have defeated them. What is this little picture? Is that like George Franklin? I don't know. Like that president guy. Ooh, we got a boss. We got a boss. What is this boss? It's the hair boss. What in the world is this guy? Look at this dude. Oh my gosh. Look at this dude, though. What is he? Like, just look at him. Wait, does he spit out these other guys? I think this is the grindy guy, where you can just gain all that XP by just like keeping on hitting these guys. This is so kicking. Ooh, meat. How many guys does he have inside him? I mean, like, seriously. Oh my gosh. It's funny how all his hair decays, but not his. Whoa. I just in the background you hear, poopy horse. Can I ride you? No. Darn it. Look at this little chipmunk. Man, that's a lot of hit. Oh my gosh. We've angered the mama bear. We have angered the mama hare. Whoa, I have to jump over logs now. Do you hear that sound that they make? It's like, boing. Wait, what? What did I just do? What just happened? Did I just like hit a wall or something? Wait, what happens if you hit one of the logs? Oh, you just get knocked back. I probably shouldn't have done that. Just now I'm losing health. This guy's like huge. If you just take a second to look at this guy, it's like the whole size of this like barn thing. Why do I keep hitting these? These things are like so annoying. Come on. Don't hit anything. No. I'm just like, every time one of these things comes up, I always like hit it. Whenever they jump, it's like boing, boing. Whoa, what was that? I just like, whoa, no. Look how like high these deer can jump. Oh, the desperate reach. Okay guys, I'm gonna end it off here, this video. So, I hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you next video. Goodbye!